Hey y'all, you're about to see how easy and quick it is to make this gourmet tasting barbecue pizza. Get a Dollar Tree pizza crust for $1.25. This pizza crust tasted delicious. Very low in calories, very low in sodium. I cut it in half because I'm the only one eating. I used cooked shredded chicken, bell pepper and onion that I chopped and added some Italian seasoning. Use your favorite toppings, of course. And I did add some olive oil because it's going to add amazing flavor to these vegetables. So you just want to spritz a little olive oil, and also on that pizza crust, make sure to spritz the edges of the crust as well, because it's going to help it to crisp up and have that crispy texture that I really like. And I was out of pizza sauce, so I just grabbed the ketchup. This is a quick pizza sauce hack. Use ketchup and a little Italian seasoning, and go really light on the sauce for this pizza, because this is a very thin crust and it will be messy otherwise. So you just want to go light on the pizza sauce and spread that to almost to the edges of your pizza. And you would not believe how delicious this tastes. You can make your own pizza sauce at home using just a couple ingredients: ketchup and Italian seasoning, which Italian seasoning has the basil, the oregano, all those delicious pizza seasonings that you would get at most any pizzeria or restaurant. And this was delicious. This Italian seasoning made it really good. And so I didn't use shredded cheese, mainly because I didn't have any on hand. So I grabbed the Parmesan cheese and shook some on the edges of the pizza. And the reason I'm doing this is it does make the edges of that pizza crust extra crispy, and it gives it an amazing flavor. So my bell pepper and onion sauteed, and they're about ready at this point. They're just the right tenderness here. And so I went ahead and added it to the prepared pizza crust. And you can actually use shredded beef or even shredded steak. I use shredded chicken because that's what I had on hand, and the barbecue sauce complements chicken so well. And so I just gave it a good little spreading out here just to make sure every inch of that pizza had some chicken and vegetables. And normally I would use KC Masterpiece because that is probably my favorite barbecue sauce, but since this pizza already has so many savory flavors in it with the bell pepper, the onion, the Italian seasonings, I went ahead and grabbed my honey flavored barbecue sauce. And I really like that it does have the spout where you can squeeze it on. It makes it so much more convenient. But the honey ended up complementing those savory flavors in the vegetables, the bell pepper and onion, so well. I did not regret using the honey barbecue sauce with this pizza. And I did give it another quick sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And it was smelling so good at this point. Oh my goodness. My entire house was smelling like a pizzeria. I don't know about you, but pizza is my favorite food by far. So I did, again, you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And I let it cook for about 15 minutes, and I checked it, and I let it go for about 5 more minutes. So you're going to want to cook this approximately 20 minutes in a preheated 400 degree oven. It turned out so good, so crispy. I like a thin crust pizza. I don't know about you. I like pan style crust pizza as well, but I really like a thin crust pizza. So I did make a side salad with just very simple, just some greens. And I'm not a fan of dressing I prefer olive oil on my salad greens, and there's my train in the background that usually comes through about every time during this time of day. So there's the train noise, and so look at this pizza. Oh my goodness. You won't regret making this. Let me know if you do make it. I hope you like it if you do. And be sure and run out to Dollar Tree. Grab you several of these Dollar Tree pizzas for only $1.25. It would be great to keep things on hand. And I'm telling you, this pizza, you're going to be amazed at how delicious it tastes. Almost like a wood-fired pizza. It has a gourmet flavor to it, honestly. And it was delicious, y'all. BBQ Chicken Pizza. Let me know if you make it. Make it for the weekend. Make it for Sunday. You're going to love it. It's so quick. And of course, I've got to have a glass of sweet tea with this, as always. Thanks for watching Cooking with Regina. And I hope you come back and continue to watch. I will be uploading new recipes weekly. And I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. See you later.